In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Woocommerce from WordPress in just about 5 minutes. Whether you've decided that Woocommerce isn't the right e-commerce solution for your site, or you're simply looking to declutter your WordPress environment, removing a plugin can feel like a big step. But have no fear. I'll guide you through each stage with easy to follow instructions and helpful tips to ensure the process goes smoothly. First things first, let's begin with the basics. Woocommerce is a powerful plugin designed for e-commerce on WordPress websites. It enables users to sell products and services directly from their WordPress site. However, if you're no longer in need of its services, uninstalling it correctly is crucial to maintain the health and performance of your website. The process starts on the dashboard of your WordPress site. This is where all the magic happens. From posts and pages to plugins and settings, it serves as the control center for managing your site. Navigate to the WordPress dashboard to get things rolling. This area allows you to access all the tools and settings needed to manage your website effectively. Once you're in the dashboard, the next step is to find the installed plugins section. Plugins in WordPress are essentially add-ons that extend the functionality of your site, and this section lists all the plugins you've added to your site. Each plugin listed here gives you the option to activate, deactivate, or delete it. So it's important to locate this section as it's the gateway to managing all your active and inactive plugins. Following that, your next action is to find Woocommerce in your list of installed plugins. This is crucial because you may have several plugins installed, and scrolling through to find Woocommerce ensures you're modifying the correct plugin. After locating Woocommerce, click on Deactivate. Deactivating a plugin is a necessary step before deletion. Think of it as turning off a device before you unplug it. By deactivating Woocommerce, you're essentially pausing its functions on your site without removing the data and settings just yet. Now, after deactivating Woocommerce, a new option to delete will appear. This option is your final step, but before you proceed, a word of caution. Deleting Woocommerce will remove all of its data from your website. This includes products, settings, and any data related to transactions. It's a good practice to ensure you have a backup of your website before you delete any plugin, especially one as integral as Woocommerce. A backup can serve as a safety net, allowing you to restore your site to its previous state should you change your mind or need access to the data later. Once you're ready and have confirmed that you want to proceed, click on Delete. WordPress will prompt you to confirm this action because it's irreversible through the dashboard once complete. Confirming this will remove the Woocommerce plugin and all of its related data from your website. After deletion, it's a good idea to browse through your site. Check your pages, the performance of your site, and other functionalities to ensure everything is running smoothly. Deleting a large plugin like Woocommerce can sometimes lead to unexpected changes. So this step is about ensuring your site works exactly as you intend it to post-deletion. And there you have it. You've successfully removed Woocommerce from your WordPress website. This process is pretty straightforward, but it does beg careful consideration, especially concerning the data Woocommerce handles. Whether you're streamlining your site, transitioning to another e-commerce solution, or simply taking a break from selling online, knowing how to manage and remove plugins is a valuable skill for any WordPress site owner. Remember, the health and performance of your website can greatly benefit from regular evaluations of the plugins you have installed. It's not just about adding functionality, but also ensuring that each plugin you have serves a purpose and contributes positively to your site's overall operation and user experience. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. We walked through the process of deleting Woocommerce from your WordPress site, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free uninstallation. If this video was helpful, consider giving it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Until next time, keep optimizing and enhancing your digital presence.